Hello, we are the Les Maisons Partners Twins, and today we'll be eating
from the TooGoodToGo
app and the restaurant Tiff's Treats.
Okay, people, let's see the discovery.
Let's look at this discovery of cookies. Ooh, nice. I'll show you one less type of cookie. Okay. Well, I think this is
Looks like the white chocolate.
This is a white chocolate or marshmallow cookie. Let's taste it. Try.
That looks like sugar cookie.
It's sugar cookie.
It actually tastes like trefoils, but I'm not gonna say that it doesn't taste like trefoil. And it's actually really good. Well,
What's a trefoil?
A trefoil is a type of Girl Scout cookie, and it's made from sugar cubes. Shortbread.
Yeah. Do you want to try another one?
And
Do you want to taste the other one?
It's like actual sugar.
Oh, okay.
Let's try this one.
Okay. Oh.
This looks like a sprinkle cookie to me. Okay, let's try. This one is super good.
Let me taste this one.
I love it. I would say that
this is an M&M cookie.
It's a sprinkle.
It's a sprinkle. See?
Oh, that's M&M's. This is an M&M cookie, and I have never tasted good. I actually don't like chocolate, but the M&Ms in the cookie make chocolate good for me. Let's try another one.
Mostly this cookie is like the M&Ms.
How many cookies did you get in all?
2 so far.
No, but how many are in the box?
4 flavors.
8 cookies all together?
No, yes.
8.
Yeah, 8 cookies.
Good.
Okay, this looks like a chocolate chip cookie.
Cookies.
This is a chocolate chip cookie. We actually each flavor has 4 cookies. 4, 8, 12, 16. There's actually 16 cookies. Okay, and wait, we actually have wait. No, wait.
You have 2 cookies here.
We actually have 5 flavors.
Oh, okay.
And this is a chocolate.
And now let's taste.
That was like a peanut butter.
You didn't announce that one yet.
This is peanut butter. This one is a peanut butter cookie.
Yay. Give me my share. This is a peanut butter cookie. It looks like to me.
Wait, that's sugar cookie. That's sugar cookie.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You took the... Oh, but... Let's...
That looks like peanut butter.
This is peanut butter.
This is peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
This is...
So which one was your favorite?
I would say the M&M cookie.
Favorite.
Wait, there's another flavor.
No. And now let's taste these hard ones.
Whoa!
Oh. That looks like maybe a Valentine's one.
This is a Valentine's Day cookie.
Here you go. I think there's another one in there.
Those are a lot of cookies.
You know them.
Okay. So what do you think of
And
the
this
Valentine's Day
is
one?
Valentine's Day hard cookie.
Let's try here. Crunchy. Hearty. I think out of all 6 cookies, mine was the M&M.
Mine did this one because it has like the sprinkles that taste like actual love.
I'm eating all these. Well, bye, fans, and make sure to comment on the Les Maisons Partners.
Oh, and don't forget to tell the fans that they, the Tiff's Treats, the TooGoodToGo app, It was $6.99, so that's a good
If you-
bargain.
If you go to the TooGoodToGo app and you are near Atlanta, you will get the Tiff's treats, and it's only $6.99, and it's a great deal.
So, what do you think the people should do if they want to see more of your taste test?
If you want to see more, comment in the subscription and follow us on the Les Maisons Partners.